All right, Solomon Brothers fans, Oris fans, we are down in Sharpsburg. We are here. It's a gorgeous day, hot for September, but it is a gorgeous day. Luckily, this baby is air conditioned. We have the Oris trailer. Look at this thing, guys. Of course, with the bear, we have everything you could imagine. We're going to go inside. We're going to check out what's inside. And then I'm going to hand over to my man, Josh, on the camera to talk about some of the exclusive pieces we got here and why you should come check us out in Sharpsburg today. All right, I'm excited. All righty. So you pop in, the first thing you notice is this is a real functioning trailer. This is not a movie prop. We brought this in, right, guys? We drove this puppy in here. All right, so we're going to come this way. So I think what they did smart, look at that. Limited editions right away. They whack you in the face with it. These are not things easy to get. These are not things that we always have in stores. Again, we're going to go over to my man, Josh, who's going to talk a little bit more about the nuance of some of these models, but we're going to keep coming right around. Right after the limited edition, of course, we got a wonderful bar. Come have a cocktail. We have some partners from Heaven Hill here, Old Fit 7. This is Lunazul Primero. You're not going to find it anywhere else, so you should come check it out. Keep coming around here. Now we start to get to the good stuff, okay? I'm going to let Josh talk about this one, but this is one of my favorites. That is a 10-day power reserve. That is a manual. That is a skeleton ProPilot X Calibre 115, right? See, look at that. So follow around here. We got even more limited editions. You got your big crowns, your pilots, everything you could imagine we have inside this trailer. If you look around, we got some nostalgic feel here. We got some old signage. This thing is set up to go. Make your way over here. Again, more limited editions, things that you just don't regularly find in stores. You're certainly not finding online. So if you come here, we got deals for you. We got things for you all day long. Come all the way through divers watches, Aquis. We go all the way through to now we have our famous Kermit, Miss Piggy, green, pink. For the Muppets fans out there, everything you can imagine. More limited editions, and I hear that one right at the edge there, there's quite a price point on that because that is actually all gold. So if you want the pinnacle of Oris, that's it right there. Follow through to the factory. Same factory they've used since 1904, still there. Don't know if this is from now or then, but you know what? That is a great picture and shows the heritage and pedigree of the brand. Again, so come check us out. Sharpsburg location, right across from the Costco. We're going to have food. We're going to have drinks. We're going to have lots of Oris. Come by, get your holiday shopping out of the way now. We'll see you soon.
Hey everyone, I'm Josh with Oris. I'm the director of marketing here for Oris, and we're pleased to be here at Solomon Brothers. We're here in Sharpsburg today, and we've got our Airstream here with over 100 watches to show you. Let's start here. So right here we have the Great Barrier Reef Limited Edition 4. Great Barrier Reef was our first sustainability-based model that we released nearly 20 years ago. This is a new model, limited edition, that just came out. It mirrors the depths of the ocean. This is for coral restoration in the Great Barrier Reef. It has a beautiful starburst dial, and most starburst dials start in the center and go out. This one actually starts at 12 and goes down, so it looks like the depths of the ocean. This model here is the DatWatt. This is DatWatt 2, so this is a limited edition model that we've done as well for the DatWatt C. And of course, our iconic Hank Aaron. This is a limited edition model, limited to 2,287 pieces. This is actually one of the last ones out there. They're nearly all sold out now, so this is very exciting, especially as Oris and Solomon are the official jeweler and official watch of the Atlanta Braves. This model here came out in January. This is the Diver 65 60th anniversary. 60th anniversary of the Diver 65 model. This is actually going to be the last of the Diver 65 models. This has an iconic 1269 dial, all super luminova. So when I take my little UV light here, you can see how well that lights up. It also comes on a metal bracelet, and we include a leather strap. This is the Hodinkee edition, popular watch blog. This is an edition we did with them a few years back. This is one of our first limited editions with the Caliber 400 movement. Hallmarks of Caliber 400, 5-day power reserve, 10-year warranty, and 10-year service intervals. Okay, then let's move right over here. This is a special piece that you're only going to see on the Oris Airstream. This is the Holstein Edition 2025, made to celebrate the 121st birthday of Oris. This actually has a glow-in-the-dark super luminova dial with a little Easter egg there at 3 o'clock of the Oris Fair. Coming right along here, we have the Wings of Hope edition. So Wings of Hope is a global aeronautical charity. They actually fly into sub-Saharan Africa and South America and provide medical care under the wing of the plane to indigenous tribes. They also fly MAP flights, so that's medical air transport flights. Let's say you're a cancer patient in Indiana that needs to take your treatments in Nebraska, they will fly you as much as you need to go, and you receive no bill. So it's a beautiful charity. This is LFP, this nice blue lacquer blue dial. We're the official watch of the French Premier League, and this is done with their children's charity called CNAP. So it actually has a hand-drawn